Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the best camping gear for 2023. I've tried out a lot of different gear over the years and I've narrowed it down to my top 7 picks. So whether you're a beginner camper or a seasoned pro, I'm sure you'll find something on this list that you'll love. Anymaka Hammock. The first product is the Anymaka Hammock. This hammock is made from strong aircraft-grade aluminum and can support up to 250 kilograms. It also features a patented snap-fold frame that makes it easy to set up and take down. Patented snap-fold frame for easy setup and takedown, made from strong aircraft-grade aluminum. Versatile multi-point adjustments allow it to double as a chair. Includes swiveling sunshade and holders for your cup, phone, and keys. Price: $210. The Anymaka Hammock is a great option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who are looking for a comfortable and durable hammock. It's easy to set up and take down, and it can support a lot of weight. I highly recommend it. Suncase Gear Solar Lighter. The second product is the Suncase Gear Solar Lighter. This lighter is powered by the sun, windproof, weighs just 12 grams, foldable design for easy portability, and can be used to ignite various materials such as wood, straw, paper, charcoal, and candle wicks. It's also windproof and reaches a temperature of 400 degrees Celsius. Price only $16. The Suncase Gear Solar Lighter is a great option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who are looking for a lightweight and portable lighter that doesn't require fuel. It's also a great way to be more sustainable while camping. VBlanket. The third product is the VBlanket. This blanket is heated by a 5-power bank and can keep you warm within 30 seconds. 3 temperature settings to conserve power, made from cotton twill on the inside and waterproof nylon on the outside, compact and lightweight. It has 3 temperature settings to conserve power, and it's made from cotton twill on the inside and waterproof nylon on the outside. Price: $80. The VBlanket is a great option for campers and outdoor enthusiasts who are looking for a warm and comfortable blanket that's also portable. It's perfect for keeping you warm around the campfire or while you're sleeping in your tent. Raptor Platform. The Raptor Platform is a floating platform designed for anglers. It offers 5 by 5 meters of comfortable space and can handle a weight of 100 kilograms per square meter. Camouflage design, durable construction, easy to assemble. The camouflage design is perfect for hunters. The Raptor Platform is a great option for anglers who want a comfortable and stable platform to fish from. It is also a good choice for hunters who want a camouflage platform to hide their presence. Price only $3,150. Quechua Multifunctional Kitchen Unit TP. The Quechua Multifunctional Kitchen Unit TP is a camp kitchen that offers a lot of space and storage. It has a workspace that is divided into 3 sections, so 3 cooks can work at the same time. It also has 3 drawers with a combined capacity of 180 lighters, a detachable 5-liter sink, a carabiner for a lamp or tank. Workspace divided into 3 sections, garbage bag mount, durable construction, easy to assemble. Quechua Multifunctional Kitchen Unit TP is a great option for campers who want a spacious and functional camp kitchen. It is also a good choice for groups as it can accommodate multiple cooks. Price: $216. Stack. The Stack is a versatile all-in-one cooking device that can be used as an oven, smoker, grill, air fryer, more compact and lightweight, easy to use, reaches 340 degrees C in just 10 minutes. It is perfect for campers who want to be able to cook a variety of dishes without having to pack a lot of different gear. The Stack is a great option for campers who want a versatile and easy-to-use cooking device. It is also a good choice for those who want to save space in their pack with affordable price $279. Handyman Fire Tongs. Handyman Fire Tongs is a 4-in-1 tool that can be used as fire tongs, a fire blowpipe, a hook, and an ash hoe. It is made of local materials and handcrafted by a Japanese company. It measures 54 centimeters in length and weighs around 500 grams. Fire tongs can be used to move wood, coals, and other objects in a fire. Fire blowpipe. can be used to stoke a fire or to start a fire by blowing air into tinder. Hook can be used to hang things or to pull things out of a fire. Ash hoe can be used to spread ashes or to clean out a fire pit. Hunger fire tongs is a versatile and useful tool for camping and backpacking. It is well made and durable, and it is a great value for the price at $87. So, these are my top 7 picks for the best camping gear for 2023. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more great camping content.